So I've been in Singapore for about 10 years. I'm primarily a technologist. I work in a fintech startup. At the same time, I enjoy DJing, playing different instruments, and being on this music production journey as well. I think the primary pain points for me have been trying to find a community and someone to learn from in a schedule that fits my life. I have tried DJing here and there, but trying to create something of my own, you need someone you can learn from and a community you can drive energy from. So that is something I definitely found here. It's been very transformative. I've learned how to put together different sounds and make an actual song, but I think the bigger learning for me has been on how to make progress, how to engineer your creativity, how to make sure you're taking small steps in the right direction and actually finish a piece. With creativity, I've realized that it's a very open-ended journey, but to put limitations, trying to make progress, that's been very transformative. I think firstly, it's about music. If you're interested in music, this is a great community. But I think the more important thing for me is for someone trying to learn something new, trying to create something of their own. This course does give you a path to getting there in a very open-ended way. There is no finish line, there is no competition. It is very open-ended, trying to bring your ideas to life. So if you want to learn how to learn something creative, I would highly recommend it. Using the cloud, you lose a lot of the early friction that you might have. Decided to name it Jupiter at that point.